I'm here in Medjugorje and it's unbelievable what's going on. Town is full. It's Saturday night. Look at that. It's going a lot on here in Medjugorje. It's again a nice cool summer evening already here. And I like it. A lot of people here. Action. There was the... Hello, Father. How are you doing, Father? Oops, sorry. You're good?
Good, very good.
Nice to see you.
Yes, good to see you.
Ciao. That was a beautiful priest from Ireland. And let's go further on. All full, passing burritos.
Do your own thing, mate.
Just to give you a summer evening, Saturday night impression of Medjugorje. It's amazing to be here.
Oh, did he tell you? No, we're next door in there.
Hallo.
Servus.
Servus, alles okay bei euch? Wie geht's euch?
Ja, gut.
Wollt ihr den Leuten bei...
Ich hab mich schon verliebt.
Ja, schön. Wie geht's euch? Was gibt's Neues für euch?
Oh,